Welcome to the Pirate Handyman, where we teach you how to become more self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, join the crew. Hit that subscription button down below, and if you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip drops. Today what we're going to do is we've got a door where the hinges, the screws for the hinges, are coming out. The owner here has replaced the screws, but they're just too stripped. And so, as you can see, the door is falling. Now, what we're going to show you can be used really anytime you've got screws going into wood where it's been stripped out. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the door off, and then we're going to drill these out, put in some dowels, glue them in there, and then once it dries, we'll have a new surface that we're able to screw into. So let's take the door off. All right, so now we're going to use a 1/4-inch drill bit because we've got our 1/4-inch dowels that we've cut. We're just going to drill in about 1.5 inches. Now these are the dowels that we've cut. So what we're going to do is make sure they fit.
Can I help?
We might have to ream them out just a little bit.
Can I do one? Can I do one?
Okay, so what we're going to try now. All right, so we've got our glue on the dowel. We're going to put it in here.
Okay.
Use the hammer to tap it in. Just get it flush. There we go. Now we'll get our next dowel from our helper here. Thank you, helper.
Can I have it?
And you can hold this. It's one of my pirate crew. Put this in here. Get it nailed in. Fortunately, have another pirate crew member that's having an issue. And we need the glue.
Okay.
And the dowel.
Okay. And then can I put it in? Can I help?
I'm sorry, little Cully, you be too short. You hold this.
Is it really tape?
Sure we get it in there now. We just have to wait for it to dry. It's probably going to take, I would let this cure for a couple of 3 hours before you drill it out. So we'll come back then.
99 bottles of rum and we got 99 bottles of rum. Drink it down, don't act like a clown. 98 bottles of rum and we got 99 bottles of rum and we got 99 bottles of rum. Drink it down, don't act like a clown. 98 bottles of rum and we got.
Thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman, where we teach you how to become more self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. We hope you dig what we're doing. If so, hit that subscribe button down below and join the crew. If you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip drops. Thanks for joining us, and here's to smooth sailing.